Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Now That Is Dope. And today we're talking song. As a matter of fact, we're talking song bars. This right here is the W King song bar. It has two passive radiators in here. It has two speakers and also two tweeters. This was a song bar that I would use when I would be watching my projector. I have a video up on this. It's actually a real good song bar. But I actually switched out from this soundbar for when I'm watching movies to using my Bose home entertainment system. So why do I have this here? So I actually begin to use this particular soundbar in my office. So this is my office speaker when I'm not using my headphones or my open air earbuds, or there are tons of different array of different like audio sources when I'm in my office. So what I'm going to be using right now for my office is this. This is the ULTIMEA Solo B30 Pro. And as you can see, it's much smaller than the W King. So I'll unbox this and show you how this performs in comparison to the W King and why I'll be switching from the W King to the ULTIMEA. Let me grab my nifty thrifty knife, my multi-purpose tool. Open this up. 1 second here. Couple cuts over here. So as you guys may be aware of, I have become very fond of ULTIMEA speakers. I think that they perform pretty well. And as you can see, I actually have an ULTIMEA A50 Pro there. I have a video of that on my channel. You could go check that out. So this right here is the manual. Toss that to the side. This right here is your different cables and whatnot for charging up the device. Unfortunately, the soundbar does not have a battery pack that would allow you to take it like outside or be very mobile with it. So wherever you position it is wherever it will be stuck. It does come with a optical cable, very good to have. It does come with auxiliary jack. I'm not going to be using this. And it does also come with a wall mount. I will not be using this. Toss that off to the side. Here's your remote. And I hope you guys all know that ULTIMEA speakers, they all work with the ULTIMEA app. So you can literally connect this to the ULTIMEA app and begin controlling it. It does take, I believe, AAA batteries. I do not know if it's included in the package. Let me triple check. Let me double check. And we have 0 batteries included. Not a big problem, but hey, we'll figure that out. And here's our party piece. This is the speaker. So just real quick, looking at the box, you have a 2.1 soundbar with a subwoofer. Very sleek design, obviously. As I said, it is app control. You also have your touch controls on top. So let's be taking a look at that really quick. All right. Toss that off to the side. Toss this off to the side. And voila. Here we have our soundbar. And as I said, it's a 2.1 with a subwoofer that faces down. So this right here is your subwoofer that faces down when you rest it. And when you rest it down, you have your infographics on top to let you know exactly what it does. So, for example, this does not have a screen that reads out auxiliary or HDMI or eARC, whatever the case is. It tells you what the actual functions are by the color of the light. So purple is optical cable, blue is Bluetooth, green is auxiliary, yellow is USB. So on the back, as I said, you have optical cable, you have USB A, and you have a sub out. It does not come with a subwoofer, but if you do have a auxiliary sub, you can plug it in and you have your sub out. Your auxiliary cable is here, and you have your DC plug right over here. As I said, this is not really a mobile speaker where you could charge it up and take it somewhere. If this was to be that would be a great additional feature. Just so you know, videos that I have planned with this, I plan to compare this to the song called Boom 2 speaker. I plan to compare this to the A50 Pro Soundbar by itself, just a soundbar without the subwoofer, without the surround sound speakers. Then I plan to compare it to the A50 Pro with all of the soundbars and different surround sound speakers. I plan to also, in this video, I probably will compare it to the W King so you can see why I'm switching from the W King to this ULTIMEA speaker over here. So, peeling this off, you don't need this. This is explaining to you how to get the best audio output if you plug in via optical cable. You go from TV to home, settings, song, digital output, change your digital output to PCM. You don't need to read this because I just told you that, and I already explained to you the color graphics with respect to what the color controls mean. All right, I like to keep this just in case. All right, get rid of that, get rid of this, and voila, here's our beautiful new soundbar. All of ULTIMEA products are very, very sleek, very, very well designed. I did make a comment to ULTIMEA already that I would highly recommend to cover this. By covering this, it adds a little bit more ease of use with respect to like taking this up and moving this around the house. Like, because this is open, I'm afraid that if I was to tell somebody, hey, go grab the speaker for me, that they grab and do damage to this. So there's one thing you have to be very mindful of. So let me plug this in and power this up, connect it to my iPad, and maybe play some audio. So 1 second here, let me do that. All right, so here is everything all set up. So just so you know, this is the ULTIMEA app. It shows all of the speakers you may have under the app. So far I have 3 speakers. I have the Solo B30 Pro, Aurora A40, Aurora A50. A50 is my surround sound for the living room. A40 is for the bedroom. And this will be for my office, the Solo Pro. So diving into the app, you could see your speaker right here. You could control the volume via the plus or up, or you could just slide it like this if you wanted to. You also have your equalizer built in, and you could pick your source right through here. For this particular display, I'll be running Bluetooth, which I already have hooked up to one of my media sources. This is a video from my second channel. I do have an automotive channel, but whatever the case might be is. And this video, even though it shows a car, but the video is using a copyright-free song or instrumental. So let's see what it actually sounds like. You gotta admit, there's no rattles, there's no squeaks, there's no noise. It's just great audio, right or wrong. This is also, as I said, running my customized EQ, but I could go through the default settings, set it to music, so you can hear what that sounds like. You gotta admit, sounds amazing, right? Sounds absolutely amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause right now. I'm gonna set up the W King so you can hear what the W King sounds like, and you tell me which one you think sounds better. I personally think that this is gonna win. So let me set that up. All right, so now I have the W King set up. So I'm gonna play the W King, and then I'm gonna rewind the video back a little bit and switch to the ULTIMEA, and then you just tell me which one you think sounds better. So here we go with the W King. double king. So when you go back, switch to here, disconnect the double king, and switch back to the ULTIMEA. Where are you, my friend? Where are you? Come on. You want to connect? Is it off? How can you turn it off? All right, now it's on. All right, so here we go. We're back again. Back in business. All right. I'm not even gonna lie to you. The mids, the low end stuff is very clear on this. But once that bass kicks in, I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna raise the volume and just listen to it when the bass kicks in. I mean, for a small speaker, I mean, this is just going to my office for when I decide to play a little music every now and again. I don't need this big song, this big song bar, but I need a song. This right here is what is going to give me that song. So I'm going to get rid of this, put this off to the side. I mean, great song bar still, but what I'm looking for, great song in a small package. This is it for me right here. So let's listen to this one more time. I hope you guys are impressed. I mean, there's no other way to put it. I hope you guys are impressed. I hope, let me try something. I want to put it like this. Let's just see if it makes a difference. Now they're going to keep all the cars over there. I am impressed. This is officially my desk speaker. ULTIMEA, if you're listening, couple recommendations. Cover the speaker up. That's number one. That covering this up allows me to, so as I said before, to take this into different environments and not be concerned about damaging that subwoofer. That's number one. Number two, I believe that if this had a battery pack, it would have the portability. Well, obviously, a battery pack, a battery pack and also covering this up would give it the portability of, let's say, a Bose or a Soundbar or a Soundcore, where you could take it wherever, not be concerned with damaging it, and also have a decent charge. If this had a battery pack, and if this speaker was covered up, that gives me a little bit more flexibility with how I would like to actually use this actual speaker. But for a stationary device, let's say a device that goes in your office, goes in your kitchen, goes in your bedroom, smaller rooms, whatever the case is, that you just plan to put in one place and don't really move around, this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. So again, great speaker. ULTIMEA never lets me down. Until next time, you gotta admit, it's pretty dope, right?